Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. Today's video I'm going to share some easy snacks recipe for Ramadan. It's cheesy chicken buns. This is oven baked cheesy chicken buns, perfect for Ramadan. You must try this at home during this season. Let's prepare the dough first. We need a half cup of warm milk, 1 tablespoon instant yeast, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Let it rest for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can add 1 teaspoon salt, 1/4 cup of oil, and I added 1 egg. I forgot to record that in the video, and 4 cups of flour. Give it a mix until everything combines well. Mix it well with your hand or stand mixer if you have, and you can knead until a smooth dough appears. At the end, you can add a few drops of oil and cover with a clean kitchen towel and let the dough sit for like 2 hours or more, depends on the temperature, or until the dough double in volume. For this recipe, we need shredded chicken. Here I cooked the chicken with salt, pepper and little lemon juice, and once it's cold, I shred them and kept it ready. First, we need to make the chicken filling. In a saucepan over medium heat, you can add little olive oil, add chopped onion, and you can add little salt and cook until the onion becomes soft. You can add 1 cup of chopped different color capsicums and let it cook for 2 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and mix it well until everything combined together. You can add the seasoning: paprika powder 2 teaspoon, pepper powder 1/2 teaspoon, garlic powder 1/2 teaspoon, and onion powder 1 teaspoon, and a little salt, and give it a mix. You can add 1/2 cup of heavy cream and mix it well. Softened cream cheese 4 ounces. You can add it and mix it well until all the mixture combines together. Now you can adjust the seasoning at this point if you need salt or pepper, anything. I'm adding a little more heavy cream to the mix so that the chicken will coat nicely with all this mix. Now add the shredded chicken and mix it well until everything combined together. Now our chicken filling is ready. You can turn off the heat and let it cool for some time. After the dough has risen, you can divide the dough into 10 equal balls. Take one ball and press it with your hand first, and then you can press the center with the bottom of a cup and then prick the center with a fork. Place the chicken filling in the middle and spread little cheese on top. Just before baking, you can do the egg wash and you can sprinkle some sesame seeds if you desire. Then you can sprinkle some chili flakes and oregano on top. Bake it in the preheated oven 350 Fahrenheit for about 20 to 22 minutes or until the cheese melts. Yummy, delicious, cheesy chicken buns are ready to serve now. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you like this video. Please try this out during this Ramadan and let me know your feedback. I'll see you soon back with another exciting recipe. Ramadan Kareem. Stay blessed.